Good afternoon, students. Today we shall discuss about sugar industry. In the last class we discussed about jute industry. So today's topic is sugar industry. Now in sugar industry, India stands at second position as a producer of sugar, but it occupies first position in the production of gur and khansari. Okay. So you know that the raw material required for sugar industry is sugarcane, and this sugarcane is known as bulky raw material. It is bulky raw material. So for this, for the transportation of sugarcane to the mill or from mill to the market, transportation is necessary. Okay. Now we see that there are many states where this sugarcane is produced. So mainly Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in the northern part of India. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are the main states, are important states where this sugar industries are concentrated, or sugar industries are found. Then in southern part of India, the states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh are the states where sugar industries are located. Then other states are Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So in these states also sugar industries are located, but less in numbers. So out of total sugar production or total sugar mills, 60% of sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So earlier, the very first sugar industry were located only in northern part of India, or they were more concentrated in the northern part of India, but now they are shifting towards southern part of India. Now we also see that in Maharashtra, especially in Maharashtra, there are many sugar mills. Okay, there are many cooperative mills or sugar mills which are working or running as a cooperative. So there are many mills in Maharashtra. Then now in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh also there are sugar mills. So earlier only in the northern part of India sugar mills were there, but now it is shifted towards south. The reason behind it is that the climate in the southern part of India is favorable, is very much suitable or favorable for sugar production. So, and the other reason is the sucrose content. Sucrose means the amount of sugar in sugarcane is higher in southern part of India, and the crushing season is also longer in southern part of India. So now we see that the production is higher in southern part of India. Okay, production of sugar is higher in southern part of India, and is much better. The sucrose content is much better, much higher in southern part of India. Sucrose content means the amount of sugar present in the sugarcane is known as sucrose content. Then we see that there are some challenges which are faced by this sugar industry. So the major challenges that are faced by these sugar mills or sugar industries are, first is they are seasonal industries. Okay, so when the sugarcane is grown, during that time only the raw material for sugar industries are available, because sugarcane is a raw material for sugar industry. So during that season only the sugar industries produce sugar. So these are seasonal. seasonal industry. Then next is old and inefficient method of production. The method which are used for the production of sugar are very old. Okay, so most of the industries in India, most of the sugar industries in India are using old method of production of sugar. Next is transport delay. So in some of the areas where there's a problem of transportation, there is a problem of good road network, good road connection, and railways. So in those areas where there's a problem of transportation, these industries are facing trouble. These industries are facing problems. So there are transport delay. That means the raw materials are lately reach the mills or the industries. So that is also a problem. Next is need to maximize the use of bagasse. Okay, so now this bagasse means, bagasse is like it's a the remaining portion after crushing sugarcane, the leftover or the remaining portion or that remaining fiber which remains after crushing sugarcane. So that is called bagasse. Okay, now this bagasse in India, in some of the small mills, they do not know the use of bagasse, whereas bagasse is it has various uses. Okay, but this small mills, some of the mills or industries, they don't know the uses and they just dumped it in an open area, and that is a big problem that leads to environmental issues. But some of the industries are using it. Okay, those are aware, but the use is minimum. So the use of bagasse, we can use this bagasse, this extract fiber or the residue which remain after the crushing of the sugarcane to extract the juice. So that fiber, it is called bagasse. It can be used in biofuel. Okay, we can use it to make biofuel. That means fuel. Okay, we can make fuel. Then it can also be used to make electricity or to generate power. Then it can also use in paper industry. It is used in paper industry. It is used in building material, as a building material. Also this bagasses are used. So there are many uses. Even some of the industry, they sell their bagasse, that extra bagasse, if they had surplus bagasse or extra bagasse, to other industries. Okay, so it has also price in the market, this bagasse. Now but these bagasse, they are not able to use it, or they are not aware to how to use it. Some of the industries are just, they are dumping in open area, and it is leading to environmental problems. So this use of bagasse is minimum in the country, in India, whereas this use of bagasse should be maximum. So this is also a challenge for these sugar industry. Okay, students, so this much for today. Thank you.